Namaste, welcome to Path for Healthy Living. Today I just want to demonstrate few poses or restoration poses particularly to help us with cramps and pains during our monthly cycle. Let's get started. So maybe if we can sit like this, or particularly during this time a little elevation helps us, comforts us little more. Okay, just sit on some block or pillow, whichever you feel comfortable. So just sit. Maybe you can just feel whatever makes you comfortable, just like folding your toes and opening and stretching your ankles, flexing and pointing. And maybe you can just go back like this, and as we do in cobra pose, just arch your back and look up. This gives nice stretch in your back and comforts. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Just get your hands on your knees. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breath in and out. And we can just do a very simple twisting, mild twisting. Just twist to your right. Inhale, center, then twist your left. So this is all helps us with loosening our spine, and at the same time, if you are suffering from back pain particularly, it helps with relieving from pain. Inhale, center, exhale, inhale, center. Exhale right, and just you can hold here for count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale left. Again hold here for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back to center. Perfect. So if you now what you can do is, you can just get your right leg close to you, hug it a little and release. Exhale, close. Inhale. We will do a lot of breath work here. Exhale, close. Inhale, down. Exhale. Inhale. And repeat the same. Left side. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Relax. Again, sit nice and tall. Deep breathe. And exhale. And slowly, what we do is, hold your right leg and left leg, and just go into child pose or Shishupasana. Stay with normal breathing. See, always we have options. If it is not very comfortable for you to go like this, you can just come out. You can even take out the block and take one bolster or pillow, whichever is available for you, and sit with your knees wide apart and bolster touching you. Just on this, go down and rest nicely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. You can stay there for 3 to 5 minutes as long as you feel comfortable and you feel like lying down there. And there is one more pose which is very good and helps with cyclic cramps. So for that we need our 2 pillows or 2 blocks. This is called. So first we're going to butterfly and get our legs as close as possible to us. Just sit here. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Now slowly keep one here and the other one. Support and with the support of your elbows, just go down and adjust yourself. You can have your hands on your belly and just inhale, push your abdomen out, exhale, pull it in. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So this is again a great pose. You can lie down 5 to 10 minutes also. No problem. Just lie down here. And then slowly, like if it is difficult, if you feel it difficult to get up like this, you can just get your knees together, stretch your legs, turn to one side and sit. So this is how we do. These are just few poses. We have many which helps us with our cycle problems, and not only problems, this body needs that rest during those days. So we can just explore more in the coming videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.